As a teacher, naniniwala ka that learning is like building a house. Hindi ka lang basta mag-aabot sa students mo ng bricks or hollow blocks and tell them to build. Instead, nagbibigay ka sa kanila ng tools and materials at tinutulungan sila kung paano gamitin ang mga iyon. And ginaguide mo sila as they build their own understanding. At alam mo that their minds are not empty. Instead, their minds are full of ideas waiting to be midwifted sa pamamagitan ng iyong skillful facilitating skills. You might be doing a lot of things na umaakma sa tinatawag nating constructivism in education, and you are probably a constructivist teacher. If you are a science teacher and a constructivist, instead of simply lecturing on the properties of water, pwede kang magpakandak sa kanila ng experiment where they observe kung paano nagbabago ng states ang tubig to solid, liquid, to gas under different temperatures. No? This allows students to actively construct their understanding of the concept rather than passively receiving information. Sa parang ito, students can develop their own hypothesis, makakapag-collect sila ng data, and makakapag-draw ng conclusion, leading to a deeper and more meaningful understanding of the scientific principles involved. If you are a math teacher naman, instead of just explaining the Pythagorean theorem, maaari mong igrupo sila to solve real-world problems that involve the theorem. Halimbawa, they could calculate the length of a diagonal rectangular garden or determine the distance between 2 points on a map. Sa approach na ito, ini-encourage mo ang mga students mo to apply the theorem in a practical context, making the concept more relevant and engaging. By working collaboratively, nakakapag-share sila ng kanilang ideas, na-challenge nila ang bawat kaisipan, and build a shared understanding of the theorem through active construction. Kung ikaw naman ay history teacher, instead of simply presenting historical facts, you could have students engage in a debate about a historical event, taking on different perspectives. This activity encourages them to critically analyze historical sources, consider multiple viewpoints, and construct their own interpretation of the past. Sa pamamagitan ng interactive na prosesong ito, students develop critical thinking skills, matututo silang i-evaluate ang evidence, and understand the complexity of historical events. Kung susumahin natin, ang focus ng constructivism is on nurturing students to become self-motivated and independent learners with the ability to actively construct knowledge and derive meaning from it. So, bibigyan din dito ang pagtuturo sa mga students not only what to learn but how to learn by developing skills like searching, critiquing, reflecting, and synthesizing information para makapag-generate ng bagong insights and knowledge. Involved sa approach na ito ang interactive experiences na inaalaw ang mga students to hypothesize, question, investigate, fostering dialogues and collaboration among learners. By recognizing that knowledge is not simply transferred but rather constructed by learners through a process of active mental development. And it empowers students to be the creators of their own understanding. Ano sa palagay mo, constructivist teacher ka ba? I-comment mo na yan at sagutin mo ang 5 items na inihanda ko para sa'yo.